guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is LiquidOcelot. Guys, a couple of days ago YouTube officially emailed me regarding the new terms of services for the YouTube partner program. They said that you have to accept these new terms of services. So I decided that when it comes to me, in my dashboard in my YouTube studio, I'll share what these terms of services are and try to share this knowledge with you. Let's try, my friends. Action required: accept new terms to stay in the YouTube partner program and start earning shorts ad revenue. This was expected, my friends. YouTube Shorts is going to be monetized from February 1st 2023, and they have been announcing this from long time now. Let's go and try to accept these terms of services. So membership is not available for my country, my friends, and AdSense account is enabled. See agreements you have accepted, including the YouTube partner program. So I don't know, I just clicked it and it's work. Yes, I have to go under shorts feed ads, earn from ads and YouTube premium in the shorts feed. So shopping, I don't have eligible. It's not eligible in my country. Yes, this feature is not available in your country. Membership is not available, but shopping is available. So I'll click get started. Review and accept partner program terms first. I'll review and accept base terms. I'll review some important parts about taxes termination, and I'll accept these terms, my friends. This is accepted, my friends. Now watch page terms. These terms let you earn from ads and YouTube premium on the watch page. So I'll click review and just click I accept the watch page terms and accept them. So this is accepted. Now I'll submit. So now they say that Universal watches your content in the shorts feeds. I'll turn this on. I accept. What's going on here? It's not getting clicked. Yes, it's working now. I'll accept them, and starting February 1st 2023, all your shorts views will be automatically be considered for shorts ad revenue sharing. You will also earn revenue when a YouTube premium subscriber watches your content. So my friends, this is over now. It is active, as you can see. It's working now. Now I'll click for the shopping one, even though I don't have any. Yes, connect a store to promote your products like merchandise on your channel. I don't have any store, my friends, so I'll leave it as it is. And now I'll go to my dashboard. And I think I'm all done here, my friends. Check my email. So I'm all done here, my friends. So I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. And wait a minute, I'll refresh this page. I don't know why it's showing again. Yes, it's over, my friends. So please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell notification for future updates. Thanks for watching, my friends.